Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I know what's in here. It's something that I've been very excited about for quite a while, and I cannot wait to get into it and share it with you guys. This is a company that most of you probably have not heard of. It was a company that I had not heard of, but they have some, they got some pretty cool stuff going on here. I think you guys will really find this interesting. I will link these down in the description if I can. I can't guarantee availability or anything like that, but I'll at least give you the link so you can go check out the company and their website. Thanks so much to, I think we say Cavol knives. Cavol, if I'm thinking correctly. We'll find out once we get inside, for sending these in and providing them for me to take a look at and share with you guys. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty, I can't remember which is which, so we're just going to cut right into them, and that went pretty much right down to the packaging. So that was a pretty good. That was a pretty good cut. Kind of a risky cut, I guess, but do we really care about the exterior packaging when we're just trying to get into the box? I don't know. Probably not. Oh, there's more than one thing in here. Here's a thing, and then here's a little thing. And, okay, so what's the little thing? What the heck is this? Silk handkerchief. Oh, okay. I'm going to assume that that's just a handkerchief because it's incredibly lightweight. This is much heavier and is almost certainly a bladed object. So let's open that one. Now, does it say what this is? This says Kamasu. We'll put my own little flair on that. Wow, the box is very intricate. Holy moly. Okay. Oh, is this the one, though? Oh, just wait. Just wait. Boy, Cavol knives, right? Right here. We have a... Wait. Oh, explosion diagram. Okay. Yeah, that is cool. I'll look at that here in a bit. That is much more substantial than I thought. Now, wait a second. I want everybody to wait for a second, because there's something else here. Okay? There's something else special here, and I gotta show it off, and we gotta try it. I gotta try it for myself. Okay? So here's what I want to do. I want to get. I don't know where the custom flashlight is, so we're gonna use the standard one here. I think this will charge and do something super duper cool, but you guys got to give me just a second here, because we got it on bright mode. We found turbo mode for the old i3 titanium. Give me just a second here, and we're going to charge these babies up. This would be a great opportunity for the 1 hour later, you know, the SpongeBob meme. Okay, so I want to kick that off, and then also we're just going to give them a little charge of Rooskies there, and we're going to kick that off, and oh my gosh, that looks so good. Holy crap. What kind of black magic is this? Oh man, we got to charge up this whole... Please tell me this whole piece is glowy. Please tell me it is. Is it? Well, it is. Whoa, why what's going on with the purple? Oh, is it the electricity from my hands? How weird. Okay, that's weird that the camera is picking that up. Those purple flashes, maybe, or maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. The whole thing is glowy. It's carbon fiber infused with glowy stuff. So yeah, look at that illumination. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Wow, that's so bright. Unreal. What is glowing over here? Oh, no, maybe it was like glowing, showing through. There's something else in there that's also glowing. What is that? I don't understand. Back here? What is the green thing? I have absolutely no idea what the green part is. That's really weird. Okay, that is awesome. We definitely have to get we got to get the blade out here. So, the blade on the man, of course it's freaking absolutely wild. Of course, the blade is absolutely... This is so cool, man. This is the kind of stuff that I just live for, reviewing knives. It's wild and crazy, and there are, potentially many complications using this day to day. But the fact is, it's very cool and very different. Not just the fact that it glows, and glows very vibrantly, but look at this blade profile. What is all going on with the pivot? This is gorgeous. By the way, the action and execution of this thing is like 10 out of 10. This is beautiful and operates, it feels very similar to a lot of the other prestige OEMs that we have all, been used to. This is a big knife. Way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little tiny thing. This thing is 8 1/4, slightly over 8 1/4 inches. Blade length is 3.7 all day, 3.75 inches. Blade length, or cutting edge, also 3.75 inches. Wow. That is cool. That is very different and very interesting. I really hope they have these things readily stocked. It's a front flipper only, but man, what a front flipper. Heck of a knife. Holy moly. Okay, we got to get into the other one here, which is also very heavily packaged. I think this one also comes with its own microfiber cloth. I did not know what I was in for. I was like, there's no way. Cavol knives, I looked at the picture that you guys posted on Instagram, and I was like, that's cool, but there's no way it's actually going to glow that bright. I did not believe it at all. I cannot believe how vibrant it was. That is going to make for some very fun short videos and Instagram reels for sure. So this one is the... Did I take the thing off of it? I'm sorry. This one is called the Rip Back. This one, did I say it also came with its own cloth? Okay. More explosion diagrams. The Rip Back, which looks to maybe also be something kind of wild. Is there a sort of magic? Okay, also definitely bizarre. 3 separate frag inlays, similar pivot, black wash, and look at that seam construction. Interesting. We don't normally see seam construction on titanium frame locks. We do periodically, but not all the time. What do we have here for the blade steel? M390. Is that the same thing we have on this guy? Yeah, M390. Okay. And the Rip Back also looking absolutely bizarre. This looks like it almost looks like I'm not sure which way to flip it, because the handle is curved the other way, like a sway back. Okay, so maybe maybe why they call it. This is a recurve compound tanto. Very lightning bolty, definitely. Wow. That is a freaking weird one. Okay, so one thing can be said absolutely about this company is they do not do orthodox knife designs. They are obviously doing something weird on purpose. And you know what? I think that's just fine, because we have too much of the same thing in today's knife world, trying to figure out how many different ways I can deploy it. So far, the easiest way to deploy it is reverse flake. Very interesting, very weird. Is there actually a double recurve? Yeah, this is a double recurve compound tanto. I am certain that blade shape exists, somewhere else, but this is the first time I have ever seen a double recurve. I have a triple recurve. I have the Batwing, the Max Ace Dragon, but I have never seen a double recurve that was a compound tanto. That makes this, on this channel, a unique blade shape. I have never seen that. Wow. Such a weird design. Cool, though. Real nice. Quality's very good. Okay, I have no idea what these are priced at. This is my obvious favorite. This is my obvious pick. Whatever this material is mixed with the carbon fiber is very, very cool. I'll give you guys a close-up there. But huge fan of this. Huge fan of this. That's very cool. Okay, that's it. You guys will absolutely... What is this? Oh, okay, I just didn't understand what that was. Again, these will be linked down in the description. Yeah, check out the links if you want to. Thanks again to Cavol Knives Here's how you spell it. Again, follow them on Instagram. Thanks again for sending these in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. Where's my card? At metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.